Another functional design document. I like the number of areas that they've captured about the, for every field. Like I like better. It has a display name basically the label. Show more tab order. You know whether it will be in the show more or show less. This is the there's a list applet, right? If this whether it is, okay, if it is a form applet, then this thing is applicable. So that will be written clearly whether it will be in the show more or whether it will be show less, right? Then after that, list applet order. If it is in the list, what is the order? It's the fourth one. When they can obviously change it, the users can change it, but when it is rolled out on the first day, where do they see it? Data source, I'm not sure what he's trying to say, but required active display, why or no? That means it's basically for a list applet. I think it's for the list applet. So for the list applet, whether it will be in the active display means whether it will be here. It's a this is the list, right? So whether it will be in this list or whether it will be available after columns displayed is done. That's what he's trying to say. So he's writing everything as a requirement.
Okay.
Right? Then control type, whether it's currency, checkbox, date, MVG, pick applet, text area, text box. In that previous one, only few were captured. Here everything is written. Text box, it's a text box. Well, what is the type of data in it? Varchar or alphanumeric or whatever. Data length, it's not written, but you can write. List of values. If it is a LOV, then what are the list of values? Right? Pre-default value. What is that value that should be defaulted? For example, when you click on new, let's see, something is defaulted. Undo. Any form applet. Let's see if anything is defaulted. So this is defaulted, right? Upload all this one. This one is defaulted. So that should be mentioned in that requirement document. Okay. When you are making your own requirement document, you will come out with a number of things like this. Whether it's a read-only field, whether it's a conditional read-only, whether it's a conditional default, whether it's a conditional, something required, something like that. You should write it conditional and write the condition in the comment.
In the comment.
Yeah. Okay. Or write it there. If someone likes it there, write it there. As I said, information has to be present. How you write it, if everybody is written in a certain manner, then you write it. If you don't know how to write it and nobody has ever encountered this, then write it in your own manner. But do enter it. Don't say don't create a scenario where you're not entering anything. Okay.